Hey guys, today we're going to do a fun little project. We're going to build this shelf out of reclaimed wood and galvanized piping. Now one thing that I don't show in the video is how to hang these measuring cups. But that's very easy. All you do is at the end you get finish nails and you just nail them right here and you can hang your measuring cups. You can leave the finish nails as they are, or you could paint them black. Alright guys, so to start off this project I went to my nearest Home Depot to the plumbing area. There you will see a galvanized pipe section. They have two types of galvanized, a silver and a black. You want the black one. Also for this shelf I got the 3/4 10-inch size piping. Once I brought everything home, it was time to remove the pricing. The adhesive of the pricing is pretty strong, so you really have to dig in there with the X-Acto knife. Here I'm using some pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax. This is so when you add the actual stain, you get an even application. It softens up the wood and it allows for the actual stain to absorb more evenly. So it's good to do this before you throw in the actual stain. I apply it evenly on all sides. After I apply it, I let it sit and dry for about 3 hours. As soon as the 3 hours have passed, I then grab my main stain, and here I'm using an Espresso 273. This is also from Minwax. I apply with the brush just to make sure I get a thick, even coat. Since I applied it with the brush, I don't let it sit that long, and I wipe it with the cloth as you normally would. Once I'm done applying the actual stain, I let it sit for a good 24 hours before I actually hang it up. Now I was lucky to find wall studs for this shelf. If you do not find wall studs, you will need to buy dry wall anchors. Dry wall anchors allow you to add something to a wall that's gonna consume some weight. It'll make your shelf stronger. And this is pretty much it. This is a very easy way to build a rustic industrial shelf out of reclaimed wood. I hope you like this project enough that you will like and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of easy to do projects that don't require any fancy tools. See you next time.